I don't normally say too much, but this is kind of cool. Inside the cab here of a Norfolk Southern GP38-2 at the Monticello Railroad days. What all these things do, I would not be able to tell you. Obviously, running a locomotive is much more complicated than it might seem. Computer, another handle there. Some more buttons and knobs. There's Mike over there. There's probably, I guess, where the conductor sits, maybe. Another chair. And as we look out here, we see a caboose in front of us. This is really neat. Oh my, I just can't believe the fun I'm having inside another cab, this time of an Illinois Central engine, IC6071. I think it's an EMD unit, not sure which. But here we are again. Look at that. Oh, power throttle. I'm not blowing the whistle. That's somebody else blowing a horn over here. Oh, nope. No, it won't work. But darn it, that's what you do to get some power on this. There's some gauges again. Another thing here. How fun it would be to be able to actually run this. Some switches or knobs down here. Look over here. Here's a couple of additional seats. Now, I'll look down the tracks.